Hi, I'm Paul. I've been a volunteer here at Wentworth since December 2023 and I'm a room steward. And what I like doing about room stewarding is introducing people to these marvellous rooms that have been kept for posterity up to now. And I always say to people when they come in, they ask about the rooms and what's in them, but I always say to them, look up. And you've got to take part and look up and see what marvellous architecture, and they're all different designs, and you can look at the furniture that would have been in there. There's pictures to show you, but the ceilings are part of it, but then you see the painted drawing room or the ship room, and then you go upstairs and you've got the Van Dyke room and the ante room and the whistle jacket room. And one of the favourite places I have is the enfilade. And I always say to people, have a look down the enfilade when you would be part of it, part of the procession that's going into the marble saloon. And you've seen all the Palladian arches above the doors, and you're going from the whistle jacket through into the marble saloon. And you just imagine it with lights and music, and you've had your drinks, and you're walking in with the King and the Queen at the head and Earl Fitzwilliam, and you're part of it. And I just ask people to do that. Try and imagine what it would have been like. Of course, it's okay if you're in that procession because you would have been above stairs, not below stairs. I don't think I'd have liked to have been a servant here. It's a long way to walk.